Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce my audience for my persuasive speech. Here we go.
Hi, my name is Sarah Hanscom. I work with Shane here in Cambridge.
Hi, my name's Haley Rennick, and I also work with Shane here in Cambridge.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Imagine spending your entire morning manually transferring liquids from one plate to another. Every transfer must be accurate, every sample matters, and one small mistake can mean repeating hours of work. Now imagine the same repetitive task being completed automatically while you analyze data, design experiments, attend project meetings, or troubleshoot problems. Many laboratory teams continue to rely heavily on manual processes despite advances in automation technology. While manual methods are familiar, they often consume valuable time and create unnecessary bottlenecks. Today, I'd like to explain why automation is one of the most valuable investments a research team can make. A scientist working in biotechnology, I have first-hand experience developing and implementing automated laboratory workflows. Through that experience, I have seen both the challenges laboratories faced and the impact automation can have on research productivity. Research teams should adopt more laboratory automation because it increases efficiency, improves reliability, and helps laboratories meet the growing demands of modern scientific research. Let's begin with perhaps the most apparent benefit of automation, giving scientists their time back. Many laboratory workflows involve repetitive tasks such as pipetting, plate setup, sample transfers, and reagent preparation. Although these tasks are necessary, they often consume hours of time that can be spent analyzing results, troubleshooting experiments, interpreting data, or planning future studies. According to Beckman Coulter Life Sciences, automated liquid handling systems automate repetitive pipetting and liquid transfer tasks while allowing scientists to focus on intellectual and analytical work. Just a year ago, my team was still performing most of our molecular cloning workflow manually. Scientists spent approximately 6 hours of hands-on effort completing each project, much of which involved repetitive liquid transfers and sample preparation. After developing and implementing an automated workflow, the hands-on time dropped from approximately 6 hours to only 2, representing a 75% reduction in labor. The scientific outcome remained the same, but our scientists can now spend 4 additional hours focusing on experimental design, data analysis, project discussions, and other high-value activities. Researchers Holland and Davies reported that laboratory automation improves researcher efficiency and reduces the burden of repetitive manual work, allowing scientists to focus on more meaningful scientific activities. Saving time is important, but automation provides another benefit that is equally important, improving the quality and reliability of laboratory results. Scientists are highly skilled, but no one can perform hundreds or thousands of repetitive transfers without the possibility of variability. As workloads increase, fatigue and repetition can contribute to mistakes that affect experimental outcomes. Automation standardizes workflows by executing the same protocol exactly the same way every time. According to Beckman Coulter Life Sciences, automated liquid handling systems improve accuracy and precision, reduce contamination risk, and generate more reproducible results. When workflows are more consistent, scientists have a greater confidence in their data and spend less time investigating variability caused by manual processes. An editorial published in SLAS Technology states that automation has become increasingly important because it improves efficiency, reproducibility, and scalability within modern life science laboratories. So as you can see, there is a common trend here that highlights the growing importance of automation in modern laboratories and the significant benefits it provides. Beyond improving day-to-day laboratory performance, automation also prepares research teams for the challenges of the future. Modern laboratories are expected to process more samples, generate larger data sets, and deliver results faster than ever before. Even more so, now that we're in the age of AI. Industry experts, speaking at SLAS 2026, emphasize that automation is becoming the foundation of data-driven and AI-ready laboratories capable of supporting future scientific advancements. As projects grow in complexity, manual workflows can become a limiting factor. According to SLAS Technology, the increasing complexity of scientific workflows has made automation and robotics essential tools for improving operational throughput and scalability. Some scientists hesitate to adopt automation because they believe it is expensive, difficult to implement, or unsuitable for their workflow. However, automation does not require replacing every manual process. Teams can begin by identifying one repetitive task and evaluating whether a simple automation solution could improve efficiency or consistency. Small automation projects often provide measurable benefits and can serve as stepping stones toward larger workflow improvements. When we consider the time savings, increased reliability, and the future scalability automation provides, it becomes clear why more research teams should embrace it. In conclusion, laboratory automation is not about replacing scientists. It's about allowing scientists to focus on the work that only scientists can do. Today, I discussed how laboratory automation saves scientists valuable time, improves consistency and data quality, and enables laboratories to meet future research demands. I encourage each of you to identify one repetitive, time-consuming task in your current workflow and ask a simple question. Could automation do this better? You don't need to automate an entire lab overnight. Sometimes a single workflow improvement can have a significant impact. When we automated our cloning workflow, we didn't discover a new drug or make headlines in a scientific journal. What we gained was something every scientist wants more of: time. By reducing hands-on work from 6 hours to 2, we gave scientists the opportunity to spend less time performing repetitive tasks and more time solving scientific problems. Most of us entered this field because we wanted to make discoveries, answer difficult questions, and advance science. Automation helps us spend less time moving liquids and more time doing exactly that. Thank you for your time.